Is that you?
I'm you, but from the future.
I'm you, but from the popular universe. Did you really come from Google City?
Yes, I came from Exictor's universe.
Man, Zictor is very good at making characters for Studebaker's insane life. You are advised to come with me at this point, so all this danger won't have to hurt you anymore.
So, you can time warp?
Yes. I can time warp. Come with me, and you will see what I'm talking about.
Okay, I guess. Here goes nothing.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. At 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, some moaning and groaning sounds were heard in the same area where the destruction of the missile targeted. It is definitely impossible to think it was the same creature that attacked our country so brutally. We could have collapsed without thinking of the missile. Whatever possible, do not go near the person who could be manning. I mean, what if it's a zombie? Or what if it could be something familiar? Just remember, don't go near the moaning sound as it could be familiar to the creature that attacked the world. Stay tuned for more information.
I will not be defeated. I told you I was coming back, but none of them listened. I am taking domination as my answer. Whoever destroyed me, they're gonna pay themselves. Now they will suffer like me!
The following message is transmitted by the United States government. The moaning sounds being heard were actually familiar. Chaos himself. He has now came back, stronger than ever. He has now gained some new abilities. He can now fly at very fast speeds of 200 miles per hour, almost fast enough to outrun any Greek tornado. He can now possess weapons much more better than he did the first time, allowing unlimited ammo for guns he could use at any time, which is unlikely but still. He can now throw always ready to attack a victim. He can jump higher and run faster than before. And finally, yes, he can teleport wherever he wants. There have been luckily no reports of aquatic mutants anywhere around the world, but it seems like Chaos possessed the energy from the radiation in the Chaos Emeralds, fusing both into one energy source called CER-04, or Chaos Emerald Radiation, 2004. This energy source is extremely powerful, allowing you to absorb these abilities. We have no idea how long it lasts or how to stop it, but the FEMA and US government are working on a solution in order to determine one. For now, move to higher ground as floods are still being reported, but much more stronger than expected. Stay tuned for more information on this already starting to get dangerous outbreak.
So, Victor me, how's this for size? I actually like this train. I like this town. I actually do. It's almost like Google City, except better. I mean, I like trains, but, you know. It's also beautiful in Google City, but This one, it's a lot better by its designs. Dude, what's going on? Calm down, everyone. It's not like something's going on. What are you doing here, Blaze?
He's dangerous. He came back. He's stronger than ever. Run for your lives, you two. He's coming for us. Save yourself.
Oh my gosh. What is that? What the heck happened to you, Chaos? How did you come back?
Oh, you saying how did I come back? Oh, that's a good question. Victors, Casey. Let me answer you this one question. Because to pay the consequences! That's your answer. Now, you both are going to die like the rest of this bus.
Actually, it's a train, you know.
Oh, sorry about that. Thanks for that. But, however, where's the train conductor?
I'm not telling you where he is, and I never will. So get off me or face consequences yourself.
So you are the one to face consequences. What do you got on me, huh? Come on, hit me. Hit me. Hit me as hard as you can. Hit me! Huh? You really think you could stop me this time? Well, guess what? Tell me where that conductor is, and I will spare you.
Again, I never will, and that is final.
Huh? You're not gonna tell me who he is? Okay, that's it. I guess you asked for a certain fate that you wish you never wanted. You both will be dying in this accident. Say your final prayers.
Oh no, we better get out of this train fast. It's locked. We're trapped. Oh no, what if this is the end of us? You're telling me. No, I don't want to die. Please, I'm scared. Emergency. The train is derailing. I repeat, the train is derailing. Exit now. I repeat, exit now. Oh God. Head for that door. Make sure that it is not locked. Let's do it! I don't care if it's locked. We're gonna bust out of here and save our lives. God will be with us forever.
That's a totally confusing headline. Excuse me, but why does the news headline say train crash caused by chaos?
Because he's coming after the both of you.
Wait, it ought to look familiar.
I just came back from the bathroom. Whoever last used it did not know it was writing text with your next and it was all clogged.
I really hate to say this, Tails, but our enemy Chaos is back, but stronger than ever.
Wait, Chaos? You're definitely stupid if you think he is back. I do not believe this headline. Alert says, we are not being stupid. He is back. Where are you both?
He now has 5 fingers instead of 2, with red eyes, now having pupils, so he can see better now. This is absolutely ridiculous. I thought we killed him, and in coming back was impossible. I remembered the great destruction of Station Square 20 years ago.
Wait, I apologize if I called you stupid. You are right. We haven't fought him since Sonic X. So how can he come back in the real world?
Then I guess we. Can you answer the phone, please?
Tails to whoever is calling. What's up?
Oh, so if it ain't Sonic and Tails themselves. How are you both doing ever since we fought 20 years ago in Station Square?
Who's this? Whoever is talking, say your name.
You idiot! It's Chaos!
Chaos? Why does your voice look like an EXE voice? We're coming for you.
Well, I'm doing great now that I'm dominating again.
We will make you pay if one of our friends are either injured or dead. Why are you back?
You two are too late to save the world. The train's already gone, and they knew it was me, which they shouldn't have. And at this time, if you don't hurry, more civilians will be dead. Meet me in 30 minutes, or I will destroy the both of you.
We must report to the area where the train crashed, as he was last seen chasing 2 men and trying to inhale smoke.
Then left speed and find where he actually was last seen. And thanks for the food as I paid the bill and I'm out. Good day.
Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the United States government. Severe flooding has been reported on some mountains with record snowfall. As a result, complete catastrophic damage has been reported. For now, all remaining residents must continue being on higher ground as it is least likely to be flooded. Some mountains have been flooded by record snowfall, mainly with it melting from the heat. But now, temperatures are back to as low as 20 degrees Fahrenheit, making some mountain temperatures as low as 0 degrees, or even into the negative numbers. Also, for the supplies to gather, include warm blankets and clothing, so you don't get hypothermia while trying to move up to higher ground. Remain calm. All residents are advised to evacuate now if your area is under floods by melting snowfall.
Go on without me. I can't hold him off much longer. Hurry. Teleport now before he gets you too. No, I'm not leaving you alone. You cannot go dead by yourself. I'd rather die with you than just you dying. Sorry, but you have no choice. Get out of here before he attacks me. I'm trapped. No way out.
You dare strike at me? Then you will pay for your arrogance!
Dear Father, help me throughout this difficult battle. Scarred everywhere. Please, God, I know you're there. Give me a miracle. Please?
This is Fox 5 Atlanta once again. A train coming from Atlanta has crashed and derailed, causing complete catastrophic damage. As a result, everyone who was on the train was injured or even killed. We have also received reports that chaos took control of the plane, stranding the conductor, leaving its ability to be derailed by chaos. Thanks to that, there are over 2 survivors who made out before the crash, with one wearing a fancy outfit and a cyborg arm, with the other one having a yellow long-sleeved shirt and brown pants with gray shoes. These survivors were last seen near the crash by at least 100 meters. Residents are advised to not go near the crash site, as smoke has been coming out of the train. Police and rescue teams have been recruited to find any survivors, but 2 people have been seen sprinting to the site. These ought to be the Sonic characters, Sonic and Tails. I will have Tails be interviewed by me as this report goes on.
Reporting for Fox 5 Atlanta? Who are you?
So Tails, I'm Letta, the Fox 5 Atlanta reporter. What is your situation? Found the cause of this incident.
Thanks, I'm Tails. What is the situation you're trying to interview me with right now? I heard about this not long ago, so we were dining in a Chinese restaurant, with many delicious foods including teriyaki chicken. We also had the ability to use chopsticks since we are good at that, but all not until we found the incident report. And I was confused after getting out of the bathroom. Sonic was also confused too, but he is hunting down Chaos.
Okay, have you noticed this incident? How likely are survivors on 1 to 100%?
As you see, I've studied on this incident, and I'm hearing constant battle noises, which determines that Chaos himself caused the crash. I hate to say but most people didn't make it, not even my friends, Charmy and Cream. And right here, is one of the survivors of this incident. Would you like to speak to the Fox 5 Atlanta reporter as I continue studying you as a subject until we determine how long you can survive?
And you, how did you survive the crash along with Papa Louie Cassie?
I survived because with Papa Louie, me and I, we heard of the alarm go off, and then we jumped for our lives. But what really caused me all this was that Chaos held me to the ground and attacked me a lot.
Oh my God, he just passed out while even explaining. Did you just see the Tails?
Kids, that's why you drink water. Actually, I meant to say that's why you don't go near Chaos. But he wasn't near, he was just after the both of them.
Make sure you stay away from the... Wait, Tails, are you serious?
Letta, the emergency alert system is sounding. Please cut off right now.
Guys, emergency alert system will interrupt us. Please listen now.
The following message is transmitted by the Atlanta Police Department. A train crash has been reported, which has killed most people on the train. Right now, police and rescue teams are now heading to the crash area to find survivors, so it will be closed off, unless you are a police officer or a part of a rescue team. It is weird to broadcast this, but it is, because it is connected with Chaos as he caused the train crash, with 2 survivors being found by Sonic and Tails. With that being said, the 2 survivors will be evacuated by both of them as police, and refuse teams are coming to investigate the incident. Do not go to the area, unless you are a police officer or a rescue team member. If you violate this rule, either you will be turned away or even arrested. This crash happened 1 hour ago, releasing smoke from the crashed train as it derailed before it crashed. This means all residents in the Atlanta area are advised to stick with the higher grounds as Chaos has left one of the survivors unconscious with a yellow shirt, brown pants, and gray shoes. If this situation gets dire, then it is possible more million deaths could occur in a month from now, or maybe even less than a month. Stay tuned for more information and stay safe.
Okay, now that I'm coming for Atlanta, it's time to start flooding the city, and what I have not touched since I came here. I'll make everybody scream!
The following message is transmitted by the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the National Weather Service. A flash flood warning has been issued for Atlanta until further notice. According to the radar, at 2:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe rain of 5 inches to even 10 inches is expected, which means all residents are advised to evacuate Atlanta, as all of Atlanta will flood under this condition. This flooding will kill anyone who hasn't evacuated. Luckily, the 2 survivors were evacuated to the outskirts of the mountains, where flooding is least present, until snowfall is melted by heat. Don't forget to take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered radio. If you don't, you will die, as chaos is sprinting to the Atlanta area to destroy the remnants of whatever wasn't attacked or completely imploded. Evacuate the Atlanta area now. I repeat, evacuate now.
Is this your shack? This oddly looks familiar. Why are we here?
This is the same shack we have been in whenever we got out for vacations on this island during the summer. Also, if you've seen our Sonic Boom series, you are so familiar with this. He's gonna need some time off to recover, so we should be able to take a few days worth of rest before chaos finds us. We also now have the Emerald energy fused with radiation, with Chaos Radiation 2004, being a very risky gas that does dramatic changes for over 24 hours. If you get this energy source, you will get most or not all abilities like faster running, flying, teleportation, which you both can teleport thanks to him over here, jump boost, and more strength and immunity to natural disasters. We also converted it into a greener source called Green Emerald 2004 as an energy source. Green energy will save this world Earth from climate change. Sad you both are gonna suffer climate change as well. We don't have this on Mobius.
Thanks for the tip, Tails. I just hope there's someone out there surviving to stop him. Chaos.
Chief, we found the cause. It was Chaos himself. We're gonna shoot him down.
Copy that.
What? You think that's the kind of army that I would expect to go down by? Oh heck nah. Not even the US military will be that weak as you shy guys. You are just weak. No wonder why Mario kills you all easily. And I can as well. Come and shoot me, you guys. What are you waiting for? Release your bullets.
Fire!
Ooh, too slow. You're too slow. I dodged every bullet you tried to make, and now I stomp on you.
Oh no, he ain't going down. We were too slow to shoot him. I guess we better retreat before he... Uh-oh. You think that's what we call retreat?
No!
Yes, get crushed, get stumbled, and lose your lives. You are not unstoppable unlike me. You may be in great sizes, but not good enough. Just not good enough. Haha, got some more victims to go.
Immediate evacuation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the mayor of Atlanta. Residents of Atlanta, evacuate the city now. The city of Atlanta is sinking under the depths of water. This means complete catastrophic damage will be caused as a result of chaos using abilities to create severe flood catastrophes that would result in 5 to even 15 inches of rain, meaning the city of Atlanta is no match against this flood. Please evacuate the city. When doing so, take, oh no, floods are gonna sink the studio. Help me and drown. No 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 no.
Why, hello, fellows. This is Letter Fox 5 Atlanta News. I am just a typical lady who loves to bringing positive news for everyone. But no, this is not positive. Floods have caused severe damage, exacerbated by chaos, as he can cause severe flooding in any area he wants. The EAS guy Dave has died to drowning while giving a report for Atlanta, so that means we are next. The two survivors are now on a safe island, where our two glorious angels saved them. They were Sonic and Tails. Fox 5 Atlanta, reporting severe flooding now getting inside. No, 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 no. I can't die now. No, 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 no.
CBS Los Angeles, we don't have some good news today for everybody in Los Angeles today. So, all the way through Atlanta, severe flooding has destroyed the city. Atlanta has already fallen to chaos. And now, he actually is heading towards us, which means everybody needs to evacuate Los Angeles now. I'm not joking. You're not joking. That's right. He's going to head for us. That includes the three of us.
Oh, dear God. You're telling me.
Yes, I'm not seriously joking. What can I say? I wish I could say otherwise, but I guess not. I thought he was gone, but no, he actually did come back. But how was he able to come back? I guess he was able to use the Chaos Emerald's energy for whenever he wanted to revive himself. Is that why he mutated with 5 fingers? Yes, that's what happened. After being radiated by the nuclear radiation. And what does that mean for us? I don't know.
Well, why don't we go live with one of the people who had saved 2 survivors wearing a black hat with fancy clothing and the other with yellow shirt, brown pants, and shoes. Currently scarred right now.
Oh my gosh. We're getting another interview. I really quite amazing eyes.
Great.
So,
Chaos cannot do this any longer.
They all drowned.
We're not watching the
This is
world
CBS
suffer until
You
it
have
falls.
one last
We
chance
need
to save
you.
the world like
The
we
world
did many
needs you
times.
too.
smart guy.
Now
Fight off
hurry
our
and
arch
take the
nemesis,
weapons you have now.
Chaos.
You won't
Don't let
believe
get
what
heads
happens
tricks
when
win
I
over
use
you
them
both.
soon. Don't
God
give
will
up.
keep you strong, positive, and happy. Now go out there and fight him. We have faith in you.
But this time, it's acting like it's already the year 2050, which is predicted to be the worst if no one has already known yet.
Have you heard anything about the destruction of Atlanta and the possible destruction of LA?
I heard about Atlanta being severely flooded, resulting in all of Atlanta being wiped off the face of Earth.
I get it. But there's no doubt that it would have never happened. It would have been impossible if Chaos were not to
Wait. Uh-oh. Guys, we're doomed.
Oh my
Severe
God.
flooding.
No, 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 no. Not the drowning thief.
Evacuate LA right now.
No. They're dead.
Guys, what is happening? Hello? Anybody? Great. Somebody cut off this report now. Great. You did see that, Sonic? They all drowned.
I really did in front of my eyes. Chaos cannot do this any longer. We're not watching the world suffer until it falls.
You two. You have one last chance to save the world like we did many times. Now hurry and take the weapons you have now. You won't believe what happens when you use them soon. Don't give up.
We need you. The world needs you too. Fight off our arch nemesis, Chaos. Don't let get heads tricks win over you both. God will keep you strong, positive, and happy. Now go out there and fight him. We have faith in you.
Let's do this. We are not falling much longer.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Several witnesses have just came in that chaos has devastated more cities with flooding, with the most recent one being Atlanta, Georgia. More thousands of casualties and dollars in damage have been reported. This means anyone who hasn't evacuated to higher grounds was killed. There have still been no signs of hostile creatures, but without doubt, it is subject to change. You must carry out the same instructions that still apply, especially while 2 survivors are hunting down Chaos, which are the same ones who survived the train wreck in Atlanta prior to being destroyed by the record flooding. Do not approach the creature, as Chaos can kill you with ease as he can jump and land more aggressively without collapsing. Stay tuned for more information.
What the? Silver? And what are you doing here?
I am here as we were called here not long ago. We did not know each other just until now.
Oh, I get it. I guess you heard about the Wrath of Chaos, huh? Well, the world is this close to succumbing to the Wrath of Chaos, and if we don't take action now, the rest of humanity will fall, and government collapses will start appearing, starting with the United States. So, in fact, he was last seen going back to his origin to destroy every remaining civilian in Florida. So we better go find him now.
This is a great idea to help you both out, or else you both would die. Let's rock.
Okay? Stick together, don't get lost. Don't be afraid. We will find him.
It's about time you got here! What took you all so long? Oh, wait a minute. Were those 2 friends of yours? Did you bring them just for a lost cause, huh? I would love to meet them. What are their names?
It's Silver and Manila, man.
Wow, those are actually pretty good names. But anyway, are you all ready for the biggest fight of your lives?
Coming at us, huh? Bring it on then. Bring it on.
Come hit me, all of you. Y'all, come hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Ow! Wow, that actually was pretty good. I actually felt all of your attacks. But now it's my turn.
Gargled with water in my mouth. Worst of all, it's contaminated.
So, are you gonna attack all at once again? Are you gonna try again? Huh? Come at me! Right here! Trust me, you are not gonna get away with that hit! You all will not get away! Come out and fight!
Stop cowering and just stay where you are, you cheater!
What? on earth did you just call me?
A cheater.
Oh my gosh! He has an evil form! How dare you call me a cheater? I have a way to release this form known as, in fact, evil mode. Now all of you will pay for your consequences, and also you will pay for saying I'm a cheater. Now, let's see how you like fighting me now. This time.
What the heck? He's not taking any damage from my laser. What the heck is happening to him? Does that mean he's stronger than Perfect Chaos? Please tell me you're not stronger than Perfect Chaos.
That's an excellent question, Papa Louie Casey. I am 3,000 times stronger. Actually, I meant to say 20 times stronger than Perfect Chaos. So now, your lasers are ineffective. And guess what else? Instead of throwing water, how about I throw fire at you and see how you like it? I'm having so much fun with these fireballs. Hi-ya, hi-ya,
Why are fireballs so fast?
Now, I want to see all of you attack me. Let's see how you actually are effective. Not good enough. You pathetic little idiots. How do you like that? Who wants to go next in line for this ultra attack, Takensi, that will literally crash you straight into a destroyed building, maybe even glass, breaking because of you? How does it feel, little punks?
What the actual flip? Now we only have 3 of us. Did you actually injure him as he was thrown straight to the left side building already destroyed by you? You better get back now.
He's just too tough, face it. Injector Casey will just die to chaos at any time as we are forced to walk.
We are not giving up.
Hyla.
Coughing, blood. Can't hold on much longer. Seek help now.
Huh? Wait a second. My spear's right there. Maybe we should talk about this later. Must gain power. Whoa. This spear can now use the ability to actually be as powerful as Chaos? Well, why didn't I say so? Oh, hold up. Oh, now I feel better. Let's get out of there, and we're gonna fight you, Chaos. I'm going to destroy you. No, please. We can't afford to literally die at this severe fate.
Well, too bad. That's what you get for messing with me. Now, you are. What the burgles is that? That's it, Chaos. You just encountered the elite version of me. And now, hey, consequences on the world. So, argue as you were before. This fight of your life becomes your death. Alright then. You dare not resist this, because right now, your time's up. What? How are you resisting my hits? We will destroy you!
Ha! Got you now this time, fool. Any last words before you're dead for real?
You couldn't have. There was no way you could stop me. Nobody was able to stop me under that form of yours will make you pay when I return. Wait, is that a bucket of lava? Tell me you're not gonna dip that on me.
We did it! We did it! See? I told you, if you didn't give up, we killed him. Now the country will for sure adore us for our bravery and our ability to be heroes. It's all thanks to Sonic and Tails. I think they deserve the most thanks other than us.
Hallelujah. They actually did it. But also with the help of other random allies we don't even know. Mostly the two we last saw deserve the praise, and anyone contributing for the fight of chaos deserves praise as well. Our arch nemesis Chaos is now defeated.
I know, right? Without the fighters, this world could have collapsed. We definitely knew they could do it. Now they're heroes just like us for now.
Thanks be to God for the miracle.
Administrative message. The following message is transmitted by the United States government. The creature has finally vanished for real this time. The two survivors who survived the train crash have now obliterated Chaos, along with two other people. One of them is named Manila Man and the other is Selliver. We are definitely giving praise to all four of you, if you were watching this broadcast. For the rest of the United States, your government thanks you for your cooperation during these horrific outbreaks of flooding, and the Chaos outbreak. However, massive to catastrophically cataclysmic damage has been reported globally. At least no governments have collapsed, but we were just about to collapse, if no such help was available. It will take years to maybe even decades to rebuild society to pre-outbreak levels, and replenish the flood water that has drowned hundreds of maybe even thousands of islands and cities around the world. Normal programming may resume.
All clear. This message is transmitted by the Canadian government. The situation with Chaos has been finished. Your heroes have saved the world from collapsing under the wrath of chaos. If it wasn't for them, then we would have fallen. However, across the globe, so much damage has been reported, meaning it will take years to rebuild any damage from the outbreak in our society. If your area is poor, then you may accept shelters and higher ground. But do it with caution, as there is still flood water in some areas. But for now, we give thanks to God for a miracle we have been praying since the beginning of the wrath of chaos. We shall give praise to our glorious Father, the Lord Himself. Normal programming may now continue. This is REUPLOAD Canada, signing off.
Tout est clair. Ce message est transmis par le gouvernement canadien. La situation de chaos a disparu. 4 héros ont sauvé le monde de l'effondrement sous la colère du chaos. Sans eux, nous serions tombés. Cependant, à travers le monde, tant de dégâts ont été signalés, ce qui signifie qu'il faudra des années pour reconstruire les dommages causés par l'épidémie dans notre société. Si votre zone est dégagée, vous pouvez sortir des abris et des terrains plus élevés. Mais faites-le avec prudence, car là-bas, j'inonde encore de l'eau dans certaines régions. Mais pour l'instant, nous rendons grâce à Dieu pour un miracle que nous prions depuis le début de la colère du chaos. Nous louerons notre glorieux Père, le Seigneur lui-même. La programmation normale peut maintenant continuer. C'est le Canada prêt à alerter, signant.
So that was the Wrath of Chaos. And if you all love it, well, if you want a third one, well, I'm sorry to say, but there is no third one. But I can make 2 of these into one if you want to, if that's better for you.